Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change wallpaper on Android 15 beta. To change the wallpaper on Android 15 beta, press and hold on your home screen, then click on Wallpaper and Style. Now you can select a wallpaper either for lock screen or for home screen. I'm gonna select a lock screen wallpaper, but before I selected the wallpaper, I'm gonna choose a clock. I'm gonna select this clock, and then let's go to more wallpapers, and now you can choose a wallpaper from previously downloaded on your device, or go to my photos and choose a photo. I'm gonna choose this photo. I can tap to edit the photo, adjust its position, scale and angle. Okay, let me do it like so. Then press on Set Wallpaper and you can select if you want to set it to lock screen, home screen or both. I'm gonna only select lock screen, then press on Set. And now when I go back to my home screen, it's unchanged as it should be. And when I go to my lock screen, it is changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.